Hello everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to record an expense. Click on Expenses at the sidebar there. Your expense could be recorded as a purchase order, a bill, or just general expenses that you incur as you run your business. Click Create an Expense or Add New Expense. Type in your expense name. Put in a description. And the category. Your mode of payment and amount spent. You can also upload a picture of your receipt or anything that's a proof of expense. And then click Save Expense. There your expense is listed.